Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch Roblox account on PC or laptop. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Welcome to the world of Roblox where the possibilities are endless and your creativity knows to no bound. But with multiple Roblox accounts, it can be challenging to keep track all of your progress, structures, and creations. That's why here's in the video I will help you to find out how to switch account on your Roblox on PC. It's very simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Roblox. And here, if you see on your profile, there's an option to switch it. So where you can switch your account to the settings, you can click on more in here, three dots over here, and you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option logout. So before you switch, you can just sign out to your Roblox account, click on logout. Now you can log in with your another account on your Roblox in here. It's very simple. You can, if you set your quick login, you can choose on quick login. But if you use in here, you can just enter your username and also the password. And log in. Make sure you enter the right password. So now you have entered your account with your another account. It's very simple, right? You can start playing with your another account. So that is how to log in, how to switch Roblox account on PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.